Hello guys and welcome to this Unity tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to make a simple main menu in Unity. All it's going to have is a canvas and a button that changes scene when we press it. So yeah, let's get started. If we go ahead and open up Unity and then we need a button. So we right click here in the hierarchy view and go to UI and press button. This will create a canvas with a button on it ready to press play. So we need to rename this button to play. So we go to the inspector, then text and play, or like text and rename it to play. Next up we need a script for the button, for the functionality. So right click in the assets folder, go to create C# script, and let's call this main menu. Sorry, excuse me. And then we need to create the functionality that loads a new scene when we press play, and we'll do this by code. So go to main menu, and the code you saw there didn't exist. So in here we will need a few things. First off, we need a method, and we also need to import Unity scene management. So the method we're going to make is going to be the play method for the button. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's create public void play, and it's important that it's a public method, or the script won't be or the button won't be able to detect the script. And in here we need Unity scene management, so let's go ahead and add that on top of the script under the using statement. So let's say using Unity engine scene management, and then we go here in the play method and press scene manager, type that out and type load scene, and in here we need a build index, so we need to type 1 for that, because that will be number 1 scene, or like the second scene in our build index. And then we go back to Unity, and then we attach the main menu script to the canvas just to have it in the scene. And then we go into the button, and here we go into the inspector and scroll down to where it says unclick. Then we press the plus icon to add a new event, and we drag the canvas over here. Then from the drop down we choose main menu script and we select play. Now that we have that in place, we also need to make a new scene that we should load when pressing play. So right click, create scene, and let's call that level 1. And then go to level 1, and in here we will need a simple text so we know we have changed the scene. So press UI text, and this is not very visible, so we need to make it bigger. So we go into the inspector and we can call it something like level 1 loaded, and then we change the color so we can see what's going on. We make it white and increase it a bit, change font size to 36 or something. And now we have made that. So let's go back to the sample scene or the main menu, and now we need, when we press play, Unity need to be able to know we have more scenes and which one we should load, because in the script it had index of 1. So we go to file and build settings, and here we add the sample scene and our level 1. And now when we press play, it loads the new scene. Boom. There you have it. This was a quick main menu. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Bye.